Hello guys, this is Bender. I've been trying to upload this video for a really long time. I know it's been a year since the last time Shapeoko released this Touch probe. So in this video I will try to show you how to install the Shapeoko Touch probe and how to use it. So this is the box, as you can see. It's really nice. I really like how they, machine this touch probe. It look really neat. The wire is very nice. Even the boxing too. So yeah, really like that postcard too. So one thing I really want to mention is when you are trying to install the Shapeoko Touch Probe, you have to check your control motion and see what version you have. And after that, you go to the website, as you can see here, and and after that, just click on the link of what version you have and follow the steps. It's very straightforward and easy to follow. Yeah, I made a stupid mistake here. I attached the wire without, uh, passing it through the 3 holes beneath the control motion. The cover, I guess, right? Just click it, just install it there, pass it through the holes, and put the screw back again. So I saw many people using this wire um, to attach it to many places. So for me, I just put it there with the screw that hold the belt. I thought this is actually the best place to attach the wire. It works for me. Yep, that's it. This is how it looks like. Thank you.